Hey there. In this short video, I will show you how to create an automated digital sales funnel that makes sales 24 hours a day on complete autopilot. You're just moments away from building a passive income system with the power of automated sales funnels. So let me ask you, are you trying to build a passive income online but not sure where to start? When trying to put together a profitable funnel, do you find it frustrating trying to put together all the pieces? Do you wish you had a step by step system for putting this all together? If so, you're going to love what I have to share today, as I will be sharing how you can finally build an automated sales funnel that brings in sales on autopilot. Here's the deal: automated sales funnels give us the power to make money 24 hours a day, whether we are working or not. Imagine being paid for work you did months ago while you sleep. It may sound like a dream, but that is the power of funnels. But how do you put one together? Putting together a sales funnel from scratch can be difficult if you don't have a proven system for setting them up. Without the right system, it can be hard to build all the right pieces and put them together into a profit pulling system. But there is good news. I would like to offer you the opportunity to get a step by step program showing you how to build an automated sales funnel from scratch. With this system, you will finally be able to build a passive income system using the power of funnels. Introducing the digital funnel system. Here's what you will get inside: how to map out a high converting funnel before you create your first product. This is huge if you want to build a profitable funnel. 3 highly profitable funnels you can use to build a passive income. Imagine having 3 high converting funnels in your business. How to systematically move leads and buyers through your funnel for more sales and high conversions. This is where automated profits come in even while you sleep. How to quickly and easily create the products in your funnel. Most people think product creation is hard, but that's because they aren't using this technique. You won't believe how easy this is. The 3 types of products every funnel should have. If you don't have all 3 of these types of products in your funnel, you are leaving tons of money on the table. How to come up with hugely profitable product offers that people want to buy. One of the easiest types of email campaigns you can write that gets people buying your products over and over again. And don't worry, these aren't hyped up sales pitches. Your subscribers will be thanking you for these emails even when you are selling something. How to make your funnel convert by testing and improving. This is the key to long-term success with funnels. If you want to scale your business big time, this is key. So let me ask you, are you ready to build the income you desire? Are you ready to stop spinning circles online? And are you ready to use the digital funnel system to finally build a successful online sales funnel? And the choice is yours. You can continue to struggle online or get access to a proven system for building an automated online sales funnel and build the passive income you desire. With the digital funnel system, you will have everything you need to be successful selling online. Just click the buy button below to get started.